so excited. I got booked to do the Winter Festival show here on a military base, and we're actually inside the Officers Club. So I get to do it on a really cool stage. And the coolest part is the parking spot right out here up front. Look at that, 2 stars on it. I don't know if you can see that. They clearly reserved that spot for me because, you know, I mean, obviously I've never been in the military, but I'm smart enough to know what star means, you know, star of the show. And because I had a puppet, 2 stars. Obviously, everybody else agreed because the whole time I'm doing my show, everybody kept saluting. Oh man, I felt so honored. It was amazing.